Tortoise and the Birds. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a wise tortoise and two graceful geese. The trio had formed an unlikely friendship and enjoyed each other's company in their serene home, a beautiful lake. Life was blissful until an unexpected calamity struck. The region was hit by a severe drought, causing the once abundant lake to dry up gradually. As the days passed and the water level continued to decrease, the geese became increasingly concerned for their friend, the tortoise. They realized that their ability to fly would allow them to search for another lake, ensuring their survival. However, they were deeply troubled by the tortoise's inability to join them in their journey through the skies. Determined to help their dear friend, the geese hatched a plan. They found a sturdy stick and asked the tortoise to firmly grip it with his mouth. The geese, in turn, grasped the ends of the stick with their strong beaks. Together, they would embark on an extraordinary aerial journey to find a new lake. The tortoise, grateful for his friend's concern, agreed to their plan. But the geese cautioned him with a serious warning. Under no circumstances should he open his mouth or speak during the flight. They emphasized that his safety depended on his silence and adherence to this rule. With the understanding clear, the trio took off into the sky, their wings cutting through the air as they soared above a bustling city. The people on the ground gazed up in astonishment. The sight of a tortoise being carried by two geese was an extraordinary spectacle that captured their attention. However, some people in the crowd couldn't resist mocking and ridiculing the tortoise. Their laughter echoed through the air, accompanied by unkind words and jeers. The tortoise, though urged to remain silent, felt a surge of anger and frustration rise within him. He yearned to respond and defend himself against the insults hurled his way. Forgetting the geese's warning, the tortoise opened his mouth to express his indignation. In that moment of recklessness, he inadvertently released his grip on the stick. Helplessly, he plummeted from the sky, unable to bear the weight of his words. The geese, heartbroken and filled with remorse, landed beside their fallen friend, but there was nothing they could do anymore. So friends, this story teaches us that words spoken impulsively or at inappropriate times can lead to irreversible consequences. Thank you for listening. If you like my story, please subscribe. I will be dropping the next story very soon.